Hello everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Denmark? The average annual gross salary is 39,000 US dollars. After tax, the average net salary is 25,350 US dollars per year, or roughly 2,113 US dollars per month. In Copenhagen, the average gross salary is higher at 42,120 US dollars. The net salary there is 27,378 US dollars yearly, or about 2,282 US dollars each month. This difference can come from higher living costs, stronger demand, and more cleaning jobs in the capital. Experience, night shifts, and specialized cleaning can also raise pay. New cleaners may earn less, while experienced workers can earn substantially more. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.